Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the 2011 Dodge Charger. Obviously you can see it's been wrecked. Off camera I already cut everything out of here. So I'm going to just do a quick time lapse of me tearing apart everything from the front half of the car where most of the damage is at. So let's get to it. As you guys can see, I got it pretty loose. Could see if I can bend it off like this. Maybe I could. Let's see. Just bent that out the way by hand after unbolting everything over here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you're gonna have to cut these tabs. To get it fully off of there. As you can see here, cut it down here. And to unbolt all these, you just need to unbolt this whole front core support. You need a 10 and a 13. I used the impact. Got it done pretty fast. So I'm probably do another time lapse of tearing this stuff apart, seeing how far I gotta go to get this front section off. So as you can see, we got everything off. I'm probably gonna be cutting this one short, but on the next video episode, or whatever you wanna say, part 2, we're gonna be heating these ears up and bending them out to get them as straight as possible. On both of these, you can see that bend. You can also see that bend. So yeah, and I'm gonna be getting the other core support coming in soon, and we'll go from there. We're probably gonna be replacing this just because you can get this straight, but it's just like, why do that when you can just replace the fender? We already have another fender over here. This one had some damage on it, so that got replaced. So we might have a video of me going to the junkyard and grabbing a replacement fender. Show you guys that. But for now, I'm gonna just stop it here and alright guys, last time we left off on the first half of the video, we were talking about these ears on here, how we're going to be heating them up pretty soon. Obviously the torch, we're going to get to that, but just to let you guys know, it's been like a week since the last first half of that video. We got some parts in. Here's the core support that was broken. We can open that, I'll show you that in a minute. First I'm gonna bend these ears out. So let's get to it. This is just the test fit of the new core support. I bent out the ears for the bumper support as far as they're gonna go until I get some longer bolts to pull it back into place for the curvature of the bumper support, just to make it match as close as possible. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the first part of this rebuild. So if you watched all the way to the end, I appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. You guys have a great day. Peace.